You don't need leftovers as an excuse to make this one, but if you do have some leftover turkey and cranberry sauce, you've just got to try this one. Ooey gooey melted brie cheese and this cranberry spread, they are the star of the sandwich. Oh, and bacon, of course there's bacon. You are gonna love making this one with your leftover turkey or even a quick rotisserie chicken from the grocery store. I just love the flavor of leftover turkey, dark meat for me, and cranberry sauce. Add in some brie cheese, and just those few simple ingredients together can make so many different goodies. One of them is this sandwich, and with either the leftover turkey or any time of the year with a quick rotisserie chicken or even the fried chicken from the grocery store, both are two of my kids' favorites, and what mom doesn't love picking them up for a quick meal? It's convenient and just such a time saver for any busy parent. And of course in this house there's always leftovers because I have to buy at least 2 of the chickens or 2 packs of the fried chicken, and you all know I love zhuzhing up anything I touch, so I would definitely say that these sandwiches are a zhuzhed up chicken or turkey sandwich that's layered with tons of flavor that you guys are going to love. We start with our spread, which I make a big batch of this because I love it for dipping crackers and cheese and making sandwiches throughout the week. I mix about 3/4 cups of Duke's mayo with 1/4 cup Dijon mustard and 1 can of whole berry cranberry sauce. Simple, quick, but so tangy, tart, and tasty, and you've got to agree the color is just beautiful. Now we'll get our air fryers turned on to preheat as well as our griddle. Just on low heat, quickly get our brie cheese ready. I'm gonna slice these up nice and thick, then get my bacon on before our griddle gets too hot. Now when it comes to cooking any kind of bacon, whether you have slices of bacon or it's chopped up like I have mine today, you wanna drop it down on a cold to a just turned on griddle. If you drop down your bacon on a smoking hot griddle surface, that bacon is gonna instantly curl up. If you're looking for flat bacon, this is the trick, but you also allow it to cook low and slow and render out its fat. This way you have all that beautiful liquid gold on your griddle surface to cook whatever it is that you're cooking, whether it's eggs, potatoes, veggies, in that, or you could take it and reserve it and keep it in the fridge for frying eggs during the week. Now our bacon is looking perfect. Let's slide this aside, leaving behind all of that bacon fat. Let our bacon go just for a minute and allow this to crisp up until perfect, and then pull it off. Now into all that beautiful bacon fat goes our leftover chicken or turkey. We'll allow this to toss the coat and let it just gently heat up. At this point, we're already almost done, so let's pop these little take and bake mini ciabatta rolls into the air fryer. I don't know about you, but I love any of the take and bake breads from the grocery store. They last longer than buying fresh bread in your kitchen, and at any time during the week that you want some fresh baked bread, this is probably the easiest way to go. Our chicken is heated up, so I'm gonna divide this up into 6 little piles for our 6 rolls. Give our brie one more cut in half. This way they fit right on top of our piles of chicken. This brie cheese is going to melt so quickly, even out in this cold weather. You could also switch out the brie to a cheddar or a Gouda, a Havarti, any kind of cheese that you want. Now I don't know about you, but I could eat these just as is. They're perfect for anyone who is on the keto diet, say, which is definitely not me. I'm Italian. I live for carbs and bread, and our bread is done, so let's pull it out. They're crispy and toasty on the outside, nice and warm inside. We slice these in half, load them up with our cranberry spread. Each gets a handful of peppery arugula on the bottom side, then topped off with our ooey gooey cheesy bacon and cheese. Just a pinch of sea salt and black pepper before these are done and ready to enjoy. Now I'm telling you, these layers of flavor is just incredible. I always end up dipping each bite in a little more of that cranberry spread. It's such a fancy little sandwich or zhuzhed up sandwich that literally only takes minutes and next to no effort. You could even skip the bread. Turn these simple ingredients into a bite-sized appetizer using puff pastry or some refrigerated dough. Bake a whole brie wheel with that sauce and some bacon on top. Serve it as a dip with crackers. These are all some of my family style favorites here. Endless possibilities once again with just a few simple ingredients that work so perfect together. As always, if you do make this, be sure to send me a picture because I would love to see. I'm Blackstone Betty. I just love you guys joining me for all of my family style favorites each week so that you guys can enjoy them at home with your families.